What if I told you you can create viral AI talking videos using YouTube itself?
I'm not just junk food, I'm a sodium bomb. Processed meat, nitrates, mystery scraps. You eat me fast, but I stay in your system longer than you think.
So before, we were using Grok to create those talking object videos, like the one I showed you in my previous video. But now, Grok is paid. And a lot of you have been asking me, how do we keep making these videos? Good news. I found a new method. And honestly, it's even better. We're going to do everything directly inside YouTube. Here's how.
Open YouTube like normal, then tap the plus button, like you're about to create a shorts video. Now, at the top, you'll see the Gemini icon. Tap on it. This will take you to a simple AI dashboard inside YouTube. From here, you've got a bunch of powerful options. You can create videos, animate characters with Make Me Move, turn images into videos, swap backgrounds, and even generate music. But for this, we're going to focus on Create Video. Now here's where things get interesting. I already prepared a prompt using ChatGPT, just like I showed you before. So go to ChatGPT, then head over to Apps, then GPTs, and search for Object Talk. Start a chat and type anything you want, but for example, I'll type hot dog. And instantly, it gives you everything, the image prompt, the script, and even related ideas around your topic. I already explained this part in detail in a previous video, so make sure to check that out if you missed it. Now let's go back to YouTube. Tap Create Video, then paste the image prompt from ChatGPT right here. You can choose any style you want, but I will not choose anything. Hit Create, and within seconds, you'll get multiple AI-generated images. Pick the one you like, tap the three dots, and download it. You can hit Create Video directly, but here's the problem. It will generate a random video without any prompt, and the result won't be what you want. So instead, go back to the main page. This time, choose Create Video again. Upload the image you just downloaded, and now paste the script prompt from ChatGPT. Hit Create, give it a few seconds, and boom, here's the result.
I'm not just junk food, I'm a sodium bomb. Processed meat, nitrates, mystery scraps. You eat me fast, but I stay in your system longer than you think.
Woo! Honestly, this looks just like what we were getting from Grok. Maybe even better. From here, you can download the video directly and repeat the same process to create as many talking object videos as you want.
You can always polish everything later using any editing app. I won't go deeper than this, so the video doesn't get too long, but now you get the idea. Quick tip before you go. If you don't see the Gemini icon, don't worry. It's an easy fix. Go to your settings, then change your app language to English. After that, give it some time, usually around 15 to 30 minutes. Then reopen YouTube, and the icon should show up. And that's it. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more AI tools that actually make you money. I'll see you in the next one.